Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw what these keywords are, like how many keywords are present in a simplest example of Java, and what happens when you pass something inside system.out.println. Today we will see about this JRE. So let's examine this. So we have this JRE system library and the version is 14. That's a Java version. We are using Java 14 currently in this video. And if you expand, it shows up lots of boxes, these brownish boxes. What these are? These are packages, and all these kind of jar icon is actually a jar files. Jar file, jar, what this stands for? I'm saying jar here. So it stands for Java Archive. That's what jar stands for. So every single jar is what? It's actually a collection of packages, right? That's what happening here. We have lots of jar files, and in every single jar file you can see lots of packages. If I expand another, yep. So the main jar file here is java.base. So in this jar file you can see lots of packages which are really helpful when you are learning or practicing with Java programming language. So if I expand, yep, lots of packages are there. Java.io, new, text, time, utils. There is one important package out there that we discuss about it in more detail, but for now that package is java.lang. There it is, java.lang. So it is one of the important package in Java, and we will see how it is important. But for now, this is one of the important package, and it has lots of Java classes which we use frequently. And we just follow the same pattern. If you notice in our project, what we did, we have src. Okay, if you expand, we have created a package com.pack. Again, you can use any name, but the rule says the package name should be in smaller letter. Don't use capitals or anything. If you try to do that, Eclipse will give you some warnings. That's against the Java conventions. Though your project will work, your code will work, but it will make you, it will just show you that you are not actually knows what Java knows, what what you can achieve with Java. So, yep, it's required to follow some Java conventions. One of the Java conventions says your package name should be in smaller and separated by a dot. If you have one word done, so use dot and so on. And once your package, there we put your Java classes. So there is your Java class, and then you can write your code. Okay, that's how. So what we just did, we just followed whatever is happening in previous implementation package. And if you open any package, there you can find lots of Java classes. Okay, what happens when you do this thing? Let's see in a workspace. So going back, that's a workspace, and yeah, core Java is a project name. There it is. If you expand, you can see lots of Java, files and other things, configuration files. But you kind of find here, it's just src. There's src. If you expand this src, then com, then pack, and there is hello CloudRaga Java file. If I go back to this project, there's a bin. If I expand bin, then again com, pack, and there is class file. This is something similar what we saw here. If I expand any package, then class, there are all the dot class files. So what are class files? What happens? We will see in upcoming classes, but for now, we are supposed to write only dot Java file, and after some execution, dot class file gets rendered. So for now, in this video, we are not going into that much detail, but yeah, your Java file gets compiled into dot class file. That's what happened at that. So yep, that's how JRE system library looks like. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will see what are variables, classes, methods, and other stuffs. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.